Greetings, Bruce Kingsley here. Wanted to share projects that have just completed and projects that are in work. First, at the end of December of last year, Trackside Model Railroading approached me on doing a article on my small 4x7 foot layout. They produce a online magazine and do DVDs on model railroad layouts. They spent about a whole day going over my layout, and in their January issue captured my layout in detail that I would never be able to produce myself. In addition, their Blu-ray has details that are just unbelievable. I received no compensation for this project, but any of the subscribers who would like to see more of my layout, this would be certainly a good way of seeing that. My next project is to combine past video themes like my extreme weathering, where I started off with an FT unit like this, then became this, and then finally looked like this, and my virtual tours where I was in my layout, and then using my 3D animation tools bring my FT unit to life.